Have you been thinking, why should I study through the medium of Welsh when the majority of my peers are studying in English? Here's a few things to think about. Firstly, embrace your culture. Studying in Welsh is a fantastic way to stay connected to your heritage and help keep the language alive. Sure, most of your peers might be studying in English, but you're gaining a bilingual education, which is a huge advantage for future job roles. There's a big demand for Welsh-speaking professionals in many fields, from education to the media to public services. Many employers are actively seeking bilingual candidates. Welsh universities have support networks for Welsh-speaking students. From dedicated tutors to Welsh-medium societies, you'll find a community that's there to help you succeed. On top of this, if you study only a third of your course through the medium of Welsh, you'll be eligible for a £1,500 scholarship through the Coleg Cymraeg Cenedlaethol. They also provide a free online resource library, giving you that extra helping hand. Ultimately, it's about what feels right for you. So, if studying in Welsh excites you and aligns with your goals, go for it.